So I think basically when you're talking about implementation, you're working in teams. So it's not a silo approach that IT is separate, business is IT separate. So empowering the business team with functions, with knowledge, uh, being at the back to see that they don't fail in the front is normally a situation that is taken up in transformation projects. So when I say enabling, I'm saying that, okay, you asked for 10 functions, but you have 8 functions now, 2 is going to get delivered soon. Or for example, looking at change management process, how it is implemented, explaining them, taking their buy-in and say that, this was working this way. Now it is going to work this way. The fourth part is that, see, these are your internal stakeholders. Your internal stakeholders, and I would also actually call them your internal customers, basically. So you have to treat them in par with the situation, saying that if they fail, you yourself are going to fail. So I think there is no two ways to escape and say that this is your responsibility, the system is here, and this is how you need to use it. That's it. I think those rigid approaches are now gone by. You need to collaborate and work. You need to see that there is always a thin line between success and failures. I always say that. So if you work in conjunction with the users, large projects are smooth to operate. And as I earlier told you, 100% will never get delivered. It will never get delivered. So you need to be in mind in conjunction with the users. Okay, you have to go step by step. You need to see that the best are implemented first and provide it to you. Start working on it, then the next will happen. If you go and aim to say that 100% will deliver and then I'm going to start working on it, it will never happen. I think those are some of the senior level discussions that one needs to have with business. And it's a business buy-in, right? The technology which you are implementing is not for IT team. It is for the business. So there is no two ways and escape saying that, okay, this is your project, you have to implement it. And a top management approach, meeting discussions, updates have to be really, really programmatic in terms of in terms of telling them everything. Which stage are you and what you are doing? That is very, very important. I'm driving one of the large projects now. And obviously, these are the things that we are doing.